Nestled between beautiful green hills and a lively metropolis, you'll find the charming town of Nerdyville. It's a place where cozy bookshops and inviting cafes line the streets, and it's home to a remarkable young boy named Ethan. With a sparkle in his eyes and an endless curiosity, Ethan is always searching for the extraordinary in the everyday. One lazy afternoon, while Ethan was poking around in his grandparents' attic, he found a real treasure, a weathered, leather-bound book titled, "The Most Expensive Pizza Ever." The cover, decorated with intricate engravings, just begged him to dive into its pages. The book tells the story of Larry, a young programmer who wholeheartedly believed in the potential of Bitcoin. During the early days of the internet, when Bitcoin was worth just a few pennies, Larry saw its incredible potential. He spent countless hours diving into the world of blockchain technology, mining Bitcoin, and sharing his knowledge with anyone who would listen. He always told people, just imagine a currency that's not controlled by any government or bank. It's decentralized, secure, and transparent. Bitcoin is the future. Larry, fueled by his passion, did something really bold. He posted an online offer, suggesting trading 10,000 bitcoins for 2 pizzas. The internet went wild, memes flooded social media, and some skeptics teased him for his foolishness. But Larry stayed confident, believing this trade would be a game changer in Bitcoin's history. A few days later, a fellow Bitcoin fan named Jeremy accepted Larry's offer. They decided to meet up at a local pizzeria where the exchange took place. As they savored the delicious pizzas, Larry and Jeremy had a great chat about the future of Bitcoin, its potential to reshape the global economy, and the challenges it would face. Both agreed that it was a historic moment for Bitcoin. This is more than just pizza. It's about proving that Bitcoin has real-world value, they exclaimed. The Bitcoin pizza transaction has achieved legendary status, often dubbed the most expensive pizza ever bought. As the price of Bitcoin skyrocketed to unimaginable heights, those 10,000 Bitcoins, once traded for 2 simple pizzas, became an emblem of the cryptocurrency's remarkable evolution. What was initially perceived as an unusual experiment has now transformed into a testament to the power of early adoption and unwavering belief in a then-nascent technology. Ethan felt excitement as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow over Nerdyville. The story of the Bitcoin pizza had ignited a fire within him. He realized that his own adventure was beginning. The digital frontier stretched out before him, vast and unexplored, filled with endless possibilities. In this world, he whispered, his eyes sparkling with wonder, Bitcoin empowers everyone. It's a currency for the people, by the people. I see a future where financial freedom is within reach for all. With newfound curiosity and a deep appreciation for the power of innovation, Ethan was ready to embark on his journey. He was eager to explore this brave new world, learn, create, and leave his mark on the ever-evolving tapestry of the digital age. The Bitcoin pizza had shown him that the future was limitless, and he was determined to play his part in shaping it.